Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman. I just got 3 new products off the truck for you to check out. I know you're gonna love them. Now here I have CAMO's drive drill attachment. Now it's going to be great for anyone looking to put a deck together. It's specifically built to fasten down your deck boards. And it's great because you can use it with any drill that you already own, whether it be 12 volt, 18 volt, just stay away from your impact driver. Now it runs off of these collated strip screws, which is really awesome because as you drive in one screw, it advances so that the next screw is already ready for you. Now it comes with 3 different guides or tips. Right now it has the face tip on it so you can drive right through your deck boards. There's also this edge guide here that lets you hide your fasteners through the edge. Now those 2 are good for wood deck boards. If you're using composite deck boards, you're going to have to switch to this clip system and the clip guide. The clip maintains an equal space between deck boards. Install all your clips, put your deck boards together, then come by with this funnel tip and then drive all your screws in. Now it's available for $175 and it's a great value at that price. That is the CAMO drive drill attachment. Here I have the QUICKLOADER retractable ratchet strap. Now it is great for anyone who's sick and tired of knotted up straps in their truck or missing parts to the ratchet strap system. The genius behind this is that it is run off a spring-loaded system here, similar to your tape measure. As you let go of your tape measure, it automatically goes back and winds up into the case. Same thing with this. You can unwind it, hook it on an anchor, bring it over to the other anchor, and ratchet away. Easy as that. And you can walk away from your trailer or your truck knowing that your cargo is safe and secure. You don't have to worry about tying up the loose ends. And another really great thing about it is it's great for cold weather hold downs. There's plenty of room here to get your fingers in, even with gloves, and you're never gonna get your fingers in down by the mechanism where you could pinch yourself. Now it comes in 2 different sizes, a 12-foot version that is rated for 1,500 pounds and a 15-foot version rated for 3,000. Now at $22 and $28 online, they're a little expensive, but you don't have to worry about those loose ends anymore, knotted up ratchet straps, and it is a great value. Find them online. That is the QUICKLOADER retractable ratchet strap. Now here I have DEWALT's compound motion LINESMAN pliers. Now they're a really great tool for anyone in need of some extra strength in their grip. Whether you're going around the farm, trimming up your fence, or trying to pull wire through the boxes in your house. Now they have this really great crosshatch teeth design for a really good grip on what you're grabbing on, and there's a nice comfortable grip in your handle here. And the articulating joints here are what make them compound motion, and they add 70% strength relative to standard pliers. So I really like them for electrical work because it allows me to cut my wires and then grab and pull at the same time the wires through my house. DEWALT also makes them in a long nose pliers and a side cutter. These are really great tools made by DEWALT. You know you're gonna get a quality product. For $15, you can get a LINESMAN, a side cutter, or a long nose pliers individually, or get them all for around $40 in a set. Find them at home centers and online. That is the DEWALT compound motion LINESMAN pliers. So there you have it. 3 products that we at Family Handyman love, and we know that you will too. So check us out next time on Stuff We Love.